taken in upward motion. Time taken in upward motion will be equal to the time taken by in the downward motion. It means ascent का जो time होगा वही descent का time होगा. It means time will be half of the total time, and then it will be u sine theta upon z only. I hope it is clear. Please note all these things. जो मैं अभी बता रहा हूं, these are used as the formula in different cases. I'm giving you 10 seconds to copy all these things according to your understanding. Don't copy without understanding. If you don't understand, don't copy and ask the question. See, now we have to move further for the next step. We have calculated here the time of flight. It means for this time interval, it has to stay in air. It means after this time, it touches the ground. Here, I am not going to take the case of rolling on the ground. ध्यान से सुनेंगे. I am not taking the case of rolling the object on the ground. Just it touches the ground. I'm not, you can't say it rolls, sir, it will roll in this direction. Just I'm not going to consider that case rolling on the ground. Okay. Now, if we want to find the range, see, it means we have to find x. And here x is r. And what is u? Range is ut cos theta. And what will be time? Time will be the time of flight. जितनी देर वो हवा में रहेगा उतनी ही देर तक आगे बढ़ेगा. Time of flight. Because I have already told you, ignore the case of rolling. We don't have to consider the object will roll down, roll on the ground. So, till the time that object remain in air, for that time only that has to move in horizontal direction. It means you have to put t here, that is the time of flight. Means u cos theta into t, and t is 2u sin theta upon z. And if we rewrite this, it will be u square 2 sin theta into cos theta upon z. This is r. And we can rewrite this as r is equal to c. This is the formula. ये एक formula है. Which formula? I'm just writing here. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. In trigonometry, we have already discussed in our mathematical tools. U square 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. So we can say it is u square sin 2 theta upon z. It is the range. We can't write maximum range. Just simply we have to say the range. Range means the maximum horizontal distance. I hope it is clear. Please copy all these things. If there is any doubt, just raise the question. I'm just giving you 10 seconds. I'm repeating. If there is any doubt, just raise the question. Is it clear, Vijay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, we have derived maximum height, range means maximum horizontal distance. We have seen the coordinate at time t and velocity at time t. Simultaneously, we have discussed about the displacement of the particle at time t. But now we have to find the equation of trajectory. Listen carefully. Equation of trajectory. I'm just taking the next page. Equation of trajectory means equation of path. जैसे कि मैं आपको याद दिला रहा हूं, suppose you have written x plus y equal to 2. It is equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line. Similarly, if you write ax square plus by plus c is equal to bx term. Bx should be there. Bx plus c is equal to y, then it is a trajectory of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. In the similar manner, projectile has also a special type of path. We will name the path, but first of all, you see what is happening. We have already calculated x is equal to ut cos theta and y equal to ut. Sorry bete, 1 minute. Ram. Sorry bete, मेरा बेटा हल सोल्व कर रहा है. Now ut sin theta minus half zt square. We have already seen the variation of x with time and variation of y with time. What we have to do? We have to find the relation between x and y. See, how can we find? From this equation, if we derive the expression for time, that is u cos theta x upon u cos theta. And if we substitute this in this equation, the time can be eliminated and we will get an equation in terms of x and y. So see what happens. Y is equal to u sin theta into t, and t is here x upon u cos theta minus half z, again t square. T square is x square upon u square cos square theta. I hope it is clear. Now u can be cancelled out and this can be written as x sin theta minus half z upon, इसको थोड़ा सा रीअरेंज करके लिख रहा हूं.
तो cos theta पे आएगा सर.
Cos theta. Yeah, I'm sorry, that's missing. Cos theta and minus, this is z upon 2u square cos square theta x square. This is y. Now, what is the nature of this? If we want to rewrite in more simple form, then this is x tan theta minus z upon 2u square sec square theta x square. This is the equation of trajectory. I'm just going to explain what does this equation says. It is very important to understand the meaning of equation. See here, this is a constant. This portion is a constant. And this portion is also a constant. So, if someone want to find or someone want to write this equation in a standard form, then this can be written as y is equal to, listen the things carefully, ax plus bx square, where b is negative, or you simply write here negative bx square. And this is a very special type of equation. This equation is the equation for a parabola. This is, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ लिखा था, this is the equation of straight line, this is the equation of hyperbola, and this is the equation of parabola. Parabola is the shape, जैसे circle होता है, आप स्ट्रेट लाइन कह सकते हो, कर्व लाइन कह सकते हो, उसी में से एक नेम दिया गया है पैराबोला. Means path of trajectory of a projectile is parabolic. Means if you want to find the values of these, then A will be, we will do this different types of question on these equations. A will be tan theta and B will be z sec square theta upon 2u square. In this way. So please note all these things. These informations are very important.